My name is Sri Lekha and this is my husband Rajshekhar.
Hi.
And we are from Hyderabad, and my pregnancy was confirmed first from Apollo Pharmacy by Dr. Pramila Shekhar, and my sister-in-law has actually advised me to meet Dr. Pramila, because even her delivery was done by her, and I must say that she is a very cool doctor and very patient enough throughout my pregnancy. And whenever I meet her, she is very informative, and she'll see that everything is in place, and she advises all the medicines, everything based on the patient's condition. And I was meeting her regularly. Like initially it was a 1 month appointment, and later as long as the 6 months period is on, and I used to meet her maybe twice in a month, 15 days appointment, and gradually once we reach 9th month it will be like a 1 week appointment. So I used to approach her, and she is even reachable on phone anytime, and whenever even a single doubt or a simple doubt, she is very approachable, and she'll always leave the phone. Though she is in the operation theatre, she'll attend the phone and she'll advise it on the time. So it was very good for me, because every time, in case if I need to travel along, it will be like hours journey for us. So I used to approach her on phone as well. Very good doctor, very experienced and very patient enough. I would even advise my friends, relatives, whomever I see, or even in case if someone asks me any advice to meet which doctor or which hospital, I would recommend strongly to meet Dr. Pramila Shekhar from Apollo Hospitals.
That's for sure.
And I must say, like in the last 9th month, I was like almost at the time of delivery. The due date was actually 19th Feb, so 20th Feb, and we took an appointment on 19th. It was actually night 9 p.m, but then because of the leakage problem, I need to come to the hospital at 3 o'clock itself. So she started her treatment around 3:30, and it went almost like 6:30 a.m. 20th Feb, almost 14 to 15 hours of time. So throughout this duration, 15 hours, all the doctors are very cooperative, and there was a proper check. They used to have
regular
monitoring and everything throughout every 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and as the time was approaching, it was like almost 1 hour. Initially it was 3 to 4 hours, and she must say she tried her level best. I would say she went even beyond 100% to see that the baby is delivered normal, and even the last moment she didn't lose her hope. She was very confident, and she encouraged me a lot actually, only because of her help and because of the staff who were around the doctor at that moment. Only because of them today I achieved to deliver baby in normal delivery process.
And we are very thankful to Apollo, and we are very thankful to
Dr. Pramila Shekhar especially. I'll always have my gratitude, my family, my son. We always have gratitude towards Dr. Pramila Shekhar.
And we will
She is the best.
refer to our contacts, because this is one of the best experience what we had.
Because this is my first pregnancy. This is my first pregnancy, and I think most of the people know what pregnancy is actually. And must say, I never felt panic, or I never felt like okay, I would not be able to deliver properly or something. She was always advisable, and I didn't feel like okay, I'm in a hospital. Even the hospital environment is so pleasing that even the labor room and everything, I didn't feel that it's a hospital, because there were around 10 to 15 people around me, and almost 3 doctors, Dr. Pramila Shekhar and her staff, the nurses, the anesthesian doctor, and even the helping staff. Everyone was around me. So along with, and thanks very much that they even allowed my husband to be there, so that he encourages me for the delivery. And it was a wonderful experience, must say. And probably it's just yesterday that I delivered the baby, and today I'll be probably discharged. And even till now, all the formalities and whatever the care they take, it was really good. The food that they supplied, and on time the food supply as per the patient's health, the checkups, the treatment, the room shifting, whatever it is, they were very helpful, and everyone was so helpful to me at the time of delivery, right from delivery time till the discharge time. Thanks to everyone from Apollo Hospitals,
And
right from
special
doctors,
thanks to Dr. Pramila Shekhar.
and right from doctors till the staff. I would like to thank, I think this is the right opportunity to thank everyone, and thanks to everyone.
Thank you so much.
And Dr. Pramila Shekhar, and I'll always have my gratitude, ma'am. And I would recommend people to reach you anytime for anything. Thank you so much.